Close your eyes and picture this: a week in paradise where your only job is to indulge, transform, and feel more alive than ever. Introducing for the first time the TrimmEra Serenity Retreat, coming winter 2025. Join us in paradise where you wake up to luxurious accommodations, sip your morning coffee with a breathtaking sunrise, and step into the most transformative experience of your life. Move your body with sunrise yoga, recharge with guided meditation, and sweat it out in high-energy group workouts on the beach, all led by Coach Maddie and Coach Ryan. By day, we're diving into wellness workshops designed to spark massive breakthroughs. By night, we're dancing under the stars as sisters. Imagine yourself snorkeling in crystal clear waters, feeling the sun on your skin aboard a private boat cruise. A day at the spa, massages, saunas, pure relaxation. And an exclusive VIP pink party where we let loose and celebrate you. Indulge in gourmet meals, sip something cold by the pool, and soak in 6 days of total mind and body rejuvenation. This isn't just a retreat, it's a rebirth. And with limited spots available, the only question is, will one of them be yours? More details will be released soon. Message below if you want first access to updates on the TrimmEra Serenity Retreat.